Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some angel investment trivia. What is a commonly used platform for angel investing? Is it A, Kickstarter, B, Indiegogo, C, AngelList, or D, GoFundMe? The correct answer is C, AngelList. What is the primary goal of an angel investor? Is it A, startup growth, B, quick profits, C, limited partnerships, or D, high-interest loans? The correct answer is A, startup growth. Which early investor backed Google? Is it A, Steve Jobs, B, Bill Gates, C, Andy Bechtolsheim, or D, Elon Musk? The correct answer is C, Andy Bechtolsheim. What type of investor typically provides pre-launch funding? Is it A, angel investor, B, venture capitalist, C, crowdfunding platform, or D, private equity? The correct answer is A, angel investor. Which investment stage follows angel funding? Is it A, seed funding, B, equity crowdfunding, C, venture capital, or D, public offering? The correct answer is C, venture capital. What is the role of venture capitalists? Is it A, insurance brokers, B, real estate agents, C, business funding, or D, hedge fund managers? The correct answer is C, business funding. What term is used for funding operations and products? Is it A, working capital, B, capital gains, C, short-term debt, or D, equity financing? The correct answer is A, working capital. Which sector is often targeted by angel investors? Is it A, healthcare, B, agriculture, C, technology, or D, real estate? The correct answer is C, technology. What document outlines investment terms? Is it A, business plan, B, contract agreement, C, financial statement, or D, term sheet? The correct answer is D, term sheet. What term refers to investment for high-risk startups? Is it A, private equity, B, seed funding, C, angel financing, or D, venture capital? The correct answer is C, angel financing. What do angels typically seek in startups? Is it A, high returns, B, long-term stability, C, market dominance, or D, social responsibility? The correct answer is A, high returns. Which legal agreement protects investor rights? Is it A, partnership contract, B, employment contract, C, shareholder agreement, or D, merger agreement? The correct answer is C, shareholder agreement. What stage often involves prototype development? Is it A, exit stage, B, seed stage, C, pre-seed stage, or D, growth stage? The correct answer is B, seed stage. Which industry association supports angel investors? Is it A, Startup Innovation Group, B, National Venture Alliance, C, Private Equity Forum, or D, Angel Capital Association? The correct answer is D, Angel Capital Association. What do angel investors provide beyond capital? Is it A, legal advice, B, mentorship, C, networking opportunities, or D, market research? The correct answer is B, mentorship. Which type of equity do angel investors prefer? Is it A, preferred shares, B, common stock, C, convertible debt, or D, bonds? The correct answer is B, common stock. What is a significant factor for angel investment? Is it A, product price, B, market size, C, founder experience, or D, team size? The correct answer is C, founder experience. What is an alternative to an angel investment? Is it A, crowdfunding, B, bank loans, C, venture capital, or D, stock options? The correct answer is A, crowdfunding. What do angels analyze in investment opportunities? Is it A, musical talent, B, personal beliefs, C, business model, or D, market trends? The correct answer is C, business model. Who is an angel investor known for Facebook? Is it A, Peter Thiel, B, Jeff Bezos, C, Mark Zuckerberg, or D, Elon Musk? The correct answer is A, Peter Thiel. Which investment method involves few investors? Is it A, individual funding, B, crowdfunding, C, venture capital, or D, mutual funds? The correct answer is A, individual funding. Which document includes financial projections? Is it A, business plan, B, strategic plan, C, annual report, or D, market analysis? The correct answer is A, business plan. What does due diligence examine before investing? Is it A, competitor profits, B, market trends, C, startup viability, or D, tax implications? The correct answer is C, startup viability. What is the common exit strategy for angel investors? Is it A, acquisition, B, initial public offering, C, franchise expansion, or D, direct investment? The correct answer is A, acquisition. What stage is next after seed funding? Is it A, bootstrapping, B, equity crowdfunding, C, Series A, or D, round B? The correct answer is C, Series A. What do angel investors often specialize in? Is it A, real estate development, B, automotive design, C, industry sectors, or D, culinary arts? The correct answer is C, industry sectors. What term describes sharing risk among investors? Is it A, asset allocation, B, risk management, C, risk pooling, or D, diversification? The correct answer is C, risk pooling. What is networking crucial for? Is it A, building sandcastles, B, finding investments, C, playing chess, or D, baking cookies? The correct answer is B, finding investments. What is the benefit of angel investing? Is it A, guaranteed profits, B, high potential returns, C, low risk, or D, immediate income? The correct answer is B, high potential returns. In what document do investors often define exit options? Is it A, market analysis, B, shareholder meeting, C, investment agreement, or D, business plan? The correct answer is C, investment agreement. What do many angels look for in a team? Is it A, monotony, B, diversity, C, exclusivity, or D, uniformity? The correct answer is B, diversity. What is a common rejection reason for startups? Is it A, insufficient funding, B, unclear mission, C, overqualified team, or D, lack of traction? The correct answer is D, lack of traction. Which financial metric is crucial for startups? Is it A, profit margin, B, revenue forecast, C, burn rate, or D, assets total? The correct answer is C, burn rate. What crucial pitch element do investors evaluate? Is it A, financial forecasts, B, company history, C, value proposition, or D, market trends? The correct answer is C, value proposition. What regulatory body oversees securities? Is it A, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, B, Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, C, Securities and Exchange Commission, or D, Federal Reserve System? The correct answer is C, Securities and Exchange Commission. Which funding type targets social enterprises? Is it A, impact investing, B, crowdfunding, C, angel investing, or D, venture capital? The correct answer is A, impact investing. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.